There is this type of mortgage out there that is pretty different. It basically rolls your home loan, your checking account, and your savings all into one place. You hear people swear by it. They will say it's helped them pay off their house years faster. But then you will also hear other people call it a really dangerous financial trap. So what is the real story here? Is it a smart strategy or it's a risky trap? That's what we are going to figure out today. We are going to break down exactly who this kind of mortgage is perfect for, and maybe even more importantly, who should probably just stay far away. If you're new here, my name is Jenny. I'm a mortgage agent and I help people all across Canada make smart mortgage decisions. Whether you are buying, renewing, or trying to lower your monthly payment. If you want to talk about your numbers, please click in the link in the description and book meeting with me. If you want more simple, straight to the point mortgage videos, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Alright, so before we can figure out if it's right for you, we have got to get our heads around how this product, this mortgage actually works. And what makes it different from the mortgage you're most probably used to. Okay, so here is the big idea. Just imagine your mortgage, your checking account, your savings all merged into one single account. Your paycheck gets deposited right in and your bills are paid right out of it. But here is the secret sauce. Interest is not calculated monthly, it's calculated daily on whatever your balance is. Think about that for a second. That means every single dollar that you put in, even if it's just sitting there for a couple of days before a bill is due, is immediately working to lower your mortgage debt and of course reduce the interest you're paying on the whole mortgage. Okay, so knowing that this daily interest thing is the key, who does this actually help? Because this is definitely not one size fits all kind of product. Let's really dig into the profile of the ideal person for this. First on this list, we will call them the consistent savers. This is pretty much exactly what it sounds like. Someone who, after all the bills are paid, always has money left over at the end of the month. Let me put some simple numbers on it. Let's say you bring home $6,000 a month and your total expenses are $4,500. With a normal mortgage, that extra $1,500 might just sit in your checking account doing nothing. But in all-in-one system, that money immediately knocks down your mortgage principal, saving you interest from the very day it lands in your account. That is a huge difference. Okay, now let's move to the next person. Next, we will have the discipline planner. This is the kind of person who lives by their budget. They know where every single dollar is going. See, one of those biggest things about this account is that there are no fixed forced payments like in a traditional mortgage. That puts you completely in the financial driver's seat. Now, for the disciplined person, that freedom is an incredibly powerful tool. But this is a huge but. It absolutely demands that you're actively managing your money and you have the willpower to resist the temptations of all that easily accessible credit. All right, our third profile is the variable earner. Think about business owners, freelancers, or people who work on commissions. Their income can be all over the place from one month to the next. And for these people, this is where the flexibility of this product really, really shines. So if you have a fantastic month, you can dump a big chunk of cash into the account and watch your mortgage balance and your interest cost plummet. But then if you have a slow month, you only have to cover the interest charge. It's actually an amazing way to smooth out those ups and downs that comes with an even income stream. And last but not least, we have the equity access seekers. This person is someone who wants to be able to use the equity in their home without having to go back to the bank and reapply for a loan every single time. Basically, the account works just like a huge pre-approved line of credit that's secured by your home. As you pay down the mortgage, your available credit just keeps growing up. This is super useful for things like, let's say, down payment on the rental property or investing in your business. And you can actually do it all without filing out a single new piece of paper. All right, so we have seen who this product can be great for, but it's just as crucial to talk about who this product is absolutely not for. I mean, if you see yourself in any of these next few descriptions, a traditional mortgage is almost certainly a better and frankly a safer bet for you. First up, this is absolutely not for someone who is living paycheck to paycheck. You know, like where most of your income is already spoken for by the end of each month. And here's the simple reason why. If you never have that extra cash just sitting in your account, you completely lose that main benefits of daily interest savings. It just does not work for you. And since this all-in-one product often have a slightly higher interest rate than a traditional mortgage, you could actually end up paying more for features that you cannot even use. That makes no sense. Okay, next, who is not for the person who does not really track their spending. They don't have a budget. They're not checking their bank account balance very often and money just kind of disappears. With all-in-one account, you have to remember that every single withdrawal increases what you own on your mortgage. Without that discipline, it is so easy to just tread water, only paying off the interest and making zero real progress on paying down the principal. You could literally be making payments for years and not see your balance go down at all. Okay, so let's put this all side by side for a second. It's pretty clear, right? The right fit, they have extra cash, they discipline with their money, and they value flexibility, and they track everything super close. The wrong fit, they're living paycheck to paycheck, they're easily tempted by available credit, they actually prefer the predictability of the fixed payment, and they do not really monitor their accounts. All of this brings us to what probably the single most important idea you need to understand about these all-in-one accounts. They are not some kind of magic fix. What they are is amplifiers. Yes, let's just sink it in for a minute. This product amplifies whatever financial habits you already have. Good habits will get better, and poor habits, well, they get a whole lot of worse. And a whole lot of worse expensive. This product will not fix bad financial habits. If you're already a disciplined saver and carefully planner, it's going to reward, and it will probably help you pay off your mortgage significantly faster. But if you struggle with spendings and budgeting, it can quickly become a really dangerous debt trap. If you have any questions, please write your questions in the comments and I will make sure to answer them in the next video. See you then!